Sree Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaschandikayi. Sri Jnanambika Research Foundation for Vedic Living has decided to conduct 4th Shathachandika Yajna.One at Bhajanapura Palace from November 20th to 24th. It is conducted for the well-being of the world to promote peace and harmony. All believers of Sanatana Dharma are requested to attend this great yajna, which is considered as equivalent to a Ashwamedha Yaga in Shastras, and get the blessings of Chandika Durga Parameshwari. Devi has different forms, but the Devata of Sri Chakra, that is Lalita Maha Trivandrum Sundari, is considered as the highest form, and the Chandika Durga Parameshwari is the Rajasika form of Lalita Maha Trivandrum Sundari. Shathachandika Yajna is conducted by chanting 100 times Devi Mahatmyam and doing the Havan with Devi Mahatmyam 10 times. All the Ritviks are Srividya Upasakas. All people can come and attend this to solve their problems. The problems which they couldn't able to find any solutions through astrology or any other way. If you attend in this, definitely Devi will bless you and she will find solution for your problems. Hearing Devi Mahatmyam itself is great punya. Just hearing itself will solve the issues. Especially in the Sharat Kalam, that is during the October-November months. Sharat Kale Mahapujam Kriyede Yajavashagi. So, in the Sharat Kalam, the puja will be conducted for the Devi. Tasmanma Maidan Mahatmyam Shutva Bhakti Samanyudaha. One should hear the Mahatmyam with bhakti and dedication. Sarvabadha Virmukto Dhanadhanya Samanyudaha. Manishyo Matprasadena Bhavishyati Nasamsheha. The Velashruti of Devi Mahatmyam, Devi herself is directly saying that those who hears this Devi Mahatmyam will solve all their problems. All their badhas will be removed and they will become prosperous. So, also Devi says, Rajna Krudhena Chachnyapto Vadyo Bandagado Viva Akhurnito Va Vadena Sidappode Maharnave. Even somebody, the king has ordered someone to be hanged or killed, or even if they are in prison, or even if they are in the middle of the ocean and in a helpless situation, once this Devi is called and prayed, definitely she will remove all the problems. So, the Chandika Durga Parameshwari, that is Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati Swarupa, Chandika Durga Parameshwari is the Devata of Devi Mahatmyam, and by the blessings of this Devi, we will be free from all the problems and will remain happy and prosperous. Madim Dharme Gadim Shubham. That is, she will direct us in the path of Dharma and make us act in the right way and come out of all our issues and will remain happy and prosperous. Kindly attend the Shathachandika Yajna from 20th to 24th of November, in which there will be Devi Mahatmya Parayanam. Daily there will be Kungumarchane, then Sri Chakra Pujai, Yaksharchane, everything will happen get attend this great yajna, get blessed, and definitely this will give you an internal transformation. Thank you. Namaskar.